Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Bhaskar Sports. Today I am going to teach in this lesson physical education in class 12th. The first lesson, planning in sports. In the part of the planning in sports, while you are organizing the tournaments, we have the knockout method and league method. In the part of the league method, today we are going to discuss about a tabular method. The tabular method. Tabular method. Here, in this tabular method, we can take the league tournaments. Let us go for that even numbers tabular method. Even number teams. So number of teams, if it is 6, how to take the tabular method? Number of teams, if this comes, that is number of teams plus 1. It is the boxes, whereas number of teams minus 1, it is the rounds. Now it's number of teams boxes, 6 plus 1 equal to 7 boxes should be, and rounds, number of teams 6 minus 1 equal to 5 rounds. So now we are going to draw the tabular method. The teams A team, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 teams. In the same way here, A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the neutral, because A versus B cannot play. That's why we have to cross these boxes. These all the boxes will go for the number of rounds. So this is the first round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds will play the first round, and second one after the second round they are 3, after 3 4, after 4 5, 5 rounds, and next round will come after 4 5, then after 5 1. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds. After 5 again it's come to the 1, and after 1 again 2. After it is a position, and the first even numbers you have to keep this round 2 and 4, and the next even odd number 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, already 5 is there here. So this is the team events. This is the teams are going to the rounds will be like that. Okay. So now let's see the number of rounds. It's number of teams minus 1 equal to 5. Number of teams 6 minus 1 equal to 5 rounds. So the 5 rounds, let us go for have the matches. First round, second round, third round, fourth round, and fifth round. So number of first round, what are the number of matches? Let's say first you have to make a cycle. You get it. 1, 2, 3. First round, what are the matches? You can see A versus B. The first round is A versus B, one match, and here C versus E. Match number 2, and D versus F. D versus F. This is the first round. Then next goes second round. The second, where is the second round? Here second is there. Here on second is there. Here on second. So what is the matches from the second here? A versus C. A versus C. In second round, first match A versus C, and second round, second match B versus F. B versus F, and here D versus E. D versus E. It is the second match. Second round, third. Next, third round. Third round, where once you check it, here one position is there 3. Here third round, and again here third round. Let's go have the matches with the what? A versus D. A versus D. And the second one, B versus C. B versus C, and last E versus F. E versus F. This is this one. And let's go for the fourth round. 4 here on fourth round, here on fourth round, and here also on fourth round is there. Let's go for this one. The 4. A versus E. Fourth round, first match A versus E. And fourth round, second match B versus D. B versus D. And fourth round, third match C versus F. It is the fourth round. Next, let's go for the fifth round. A versus F. And it is a versus F. And here one match is there. Here one match is there. So here, and B versus E, and next C versus D. C versus D. This is the C versus D. It is the third match of the fifth round. Okay. So these are matches in the 5 rounds. The first, second, third, fourth, and 5 rounds. In the table, all the team A, B, C, D, E, F teams, and number of teams, and you have to write winning team, there are 2 points, losing teams, there are no points, that's a 0, and the match tie or draw, it's go for 1 point. Based on that, you can make the winners. This is the tabular method in the league, and with the tabular method league is the even number teams. If it is the odd number teams, let's go for another video. Thank you. Thank you all my subscribers. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.